Costabella has that certain something that keeps calling you back every summer. Here, the sea isn't just a view, it's a way of life. Just steps away back from here, we have one of Marbella's top beaches with clear water and relaxed vibe. I'm about to show you a home that truly stands out. Let me tell you something. Once you sit here, you won't move a muscle. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and swimming pool. Let's take a look.
Can you try and find a reason to be mine? A purpose that we can escape? Would it work if we try to feel what's deep inside? We're waiting on a train to take us home. Why don't you wait?